Interactive Business Training offers 2 wonderful workshops on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's see what our PowerPoint Part 1 and 2 workshops can offer you. In these workshops, we will cover the PowerPoint 365 user interface, how to insert a new slide, presenter view, the mini toolbar, the print command, the customized status bar menu, customizing the ribbon pane hierarchy, audio file formats, video file formats, the comments pane, hyperlinks, and annotation tools. The PowerPoint 365 user interface. You will learn about the quick access toolbar, the title bar, the program management icons, the ribbon interface, the slides pane, and much more. Also covered in this workshop, how to insert a new slide, how to navigate in presenter view, using the mini toolbar, how to use the print command, using the customized status bar menu, understanding the customize the ribbon pane hierarchy, understanding audio file formats and video file formats, utilizing the comments pane, how to use hyperlinks, understanding annotation tools. Many businesses use PowerPoint every day, and these workshops can get you started on learning this valuable tool.